Innovative applications of blockchain technology in trade finance. Abstract. WaitBL is a blockchain-based electronic bill of lading (EBL) platform that has recently completed a groundbreaking proof of value (POV) pilot in collaboration with global banks such as HSBC, Emirates NBD, and the Indian Federal Bank, as well as Mediterranean Shipping Company (MSC). This pilot demonstrated the transmission and exchange of a series of structured electronic documents, including EBL, initiated through the WaitBL platform over the SWIFT network, as well as the management of ownership and holding rights on the WaitBL issuance ledger. This innovative collaboration further promotes seamless connectivity between supply chains and financial markets, paving the way for 100% EBL adoption. The active participation of the banks involved highlights their exceptional innovative capabilities in the digitalization of trade finance and the application of cutting-edge technologies. WaitBL plans to continue collaborating with SWIFT and the participating banks to provide a simple and standardized way for banks to receive and send electronic banking documents originating from the platform, thereby enhancing the flexibility and efficiency of trade finance. The following is a briefing summarizing the content of several provided articles. Ethereum NFT market rebounds, trading volume soars. Recently, the NFT trading volume on major blockchain networks like Ethereum has surged significantly, indicating a revival in the NFT market. In the past week, the global NFT market trading volume reached $91 million, a week-over-week increase of 20.58%. The NFT trading volume on the Ethereum network reached $32 million, a week-over-week increase of 25.43%, making it the most active blockchain network this week. The Bitcoin network's NFT trading volume reached $21 million, a week-over-week increase of 32%, ranking second. The Solana network's NFT trading volume reached $16 million, a week-over-week increase of 34%, ranking third. The highest trading volume NFT series this week included D-Market, Uncategorized, and Bored Ape Yacht Club, among others. Additionally, the proportion of institutional investors participating in Ethereum staking within the Ethereum ecosystem has reached 69.2%, reflecting confidence in Ethereum's long-term value. However, the issue of asset restrictions during the staking process has led to an increasing number of investors opting for third-party staking platforms. Overall, Ethereum and its NFT ecosystem are gradually regaining vitality, but attention must still be paid to potential risk factors. Investors should approach with caution and conduct thorough risk assessments. Bitcoin price trend briefing. October 21, 2024. 1. Bitcoin price trend. Bitcoin is approaching a resistance level of $70,000. If it can stabilize above this level, it may trigger a rally to retest historical highs. Ethereum is nearing its descending trend line. A breakout and close above this line could lead to a rebound. Ripple's price is consolidating around the 200-day moving average near 70 cents. A close above this line could signal a recovery. 2. Market sentiment. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, on the daily chart for Bitcoin is nearing the overbought zone at 70. If it enters this zone, the likelihood of a short-term pullback may increase. The RSI on Ethereum's daily chart is also approaching the overbought zone at 70, similarly indicating a risk of a short-term pullback. The RSI on Ripple's daily chart is currently in a neutral zone, needing to break above 50 to establish stronger bullish momentum. 3. Other news. Bitcoin ETF inflows hit a 4-month high of $555.86 million, indicating accelerated institutional capital inflow. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink reiterated his positive outlook on Bitcoin as a new asset class, providing support for Bitcoin's price. The emerging Buterin V2E token Flockers is performing strongly in its initial public offering, surpassing $7.07 million, attracting significant investor interest. In summary, supported by both technical and news factors, Bitcoin's price is expected to maintain an upward momentum, but there are also certain short-term pullback risks. Investors should proceed with caution and conduct risk assessments and management. October 21, 2024, Solana briefing. 1. Strong recovery momentum in the NFT market. Data shows that the global NFT trading volume reached $91 million in the past week, up 20.58% from the previous week. NFT trading volumes on mainstream blockchain networks such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana have all increased to varying degrees, with Solana's network seeing a 34% increase. 2. SOL Strategies company transitions to focus on Solana ecosystem. Formerly known as Cypherpunk Holdings, the company completed a strategic transition in 2024, rebranding as SOL Strategies and shifting its focus to the Solana ecosystem. New CEO Leah Wald has led the company to significantly increase its holdings in SOL and participate in network validation node operations, becoming an important player in the Solana ecosystem. 3. Bullish price predictions for Solana. Analysis indicates that Solana's price is poised to regain upward momentum. Technically, SOL has formed a double bottom pattern, and after breaking through the $164 to $166 resistance zone, it is expected to further challenge price levels of $180, $190, and $200. Compared to Bitcoin, the SOL/BTC trading pair also shows some upward potential. 4. Pepe Unchained attracts attention. Meanwhile, the highly anticipated Pepe Unchained project has raised over $10 million in its ICO, attracting significant whale capital participation. This project is expected to become the next breakout meme coin. Overall, both the NFT market and the Solana ecosystem are showing positive development trends worth noting. The transition of SOL Strategies reflects institutional recognition of Solana, while the popularity of Pepe Unchained indicates strong market interest in emerging meme coin projects. Briefing: potential price drivers for Bitcoin. 1. Bitcoin supply may be lower than expected, total of 21 million. Due to the death of Bitcoin owners or inability to access wallets, the actual circulating supply of Bitcoin may be lower than 21 million. It is estimated that up to 1.5 million Bitcoins may have been lost, accounting for 7.5% of the total supply. This permanent destruction reduces the number of Bitcoins available for investors to purchase, thereby driving prices up. 2. Bitcoin's decentralized nature poses challenges for estate management. Bitcoin stored in cold wallets lack banks or other institutions to assist families in recovering them. If the holder passes away and the private key cannot be passed on, those Bitcoins will be permanently lost. Experts advise Bitcoin investors to arrange their estate planning properly to ensure that private keys or mnemonic phrases can be passed on to designated individuals. Otherwise, further Bitcoin losses will drive prices up. 3. The mystery of Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto's identity. A new documentary attempts to unveil the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, which could alleviate market concerns about large-scale Bitcoin sell-offs. If Satoshi Nakamoto has passed away, the approximately 1 million Bitcoins he holds will be permanently destroyed, further reducing the circulating supply and driving prices up. Overall, the permanent destruction of Bitcoin and the uncertainty surrounding its creator's identity may serve as potential driving forces for long-term price increases. Staking activities within the Ethereum ecosystem are undergoing remarkable transformation. According to the latest reports, nearly 70% of institutional investors are participating in Ethereum staking, primarily due to Ethereum's transition from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Among these participants, 78.8% are investment firms and asset management companies, highlighting the strong interest of institutional investors in Ethereum. Additionally, 22.6% of investors allocate over 60% of their portfolios to ETH or ETH-based liquid staking tokens, reflecting their firm belief in Ethereum's long-term value proposition. Currently, approximately 1.1 million on-chain validators have staked around 34.8 million ETH, accounting for 28.9% of the total supply, making Ethereum the highest dollar-valued staking asset, exceeding $115 billion. Although staking yields are expected to decline as more ETH is staked, transaction fee priority still makes staking an attractive option. However, 60.6% of institutional investors choose to stake through third-party platforms rather than independently. This trend highlights the convenience of third-party platforms but raises concerns about centralization. Vitalik Buterin has called for lowering the barriers to entry for independent staking to promote Ethereum's decentralization. Overall, the Ethereum staking ecosystem is experiencing positive transformation but still faces challenges such as lagging price performance and centralization risks. With the continued influx of institutional investors, Ethereum's investment outlook remains cautiously optimistic, necessitating close attention to future developments. Briefing: ongoing lawsuit between Binance and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. October 21, 2024. Key points. 1. The judge approved the SEC's request to amend its complaint, allowing the SEC to explore the legal issues surrounding crypto asset securities in greater detail. Binance has committed to cooperating with the investigation of various allegations, including the initial public offering of the BNB token, the BNB Vault, and the BAM trading staking program. This helps clarify issues and provides a pathway for future interactions between regulators and cryptocurrency companies. 2. The judge has extended the discovery process until 2026 to ensure a thorough investigation of the factual details. This extended timeline reflects the complexity of the case and underscores the importance of a comprehensive review. 3. The outcome of this case will impact the regulatory approach to cryptocurrencies in the U.S., potentially establishing important precedents for the classification and regulation of digital assets. The court has dismissed certain allegations, indicating an awareness of the complexities surrounding digital asset classification. 4. This ongoing legal dispute may exacerbate market uncertainty, suppress new investments, and affect innovation and development across the cryptocurrency industry. In summary, the lawsuit between Binance and the SEC will continue until 2026, with key court rulings laying the groundwork for cryptocurrency regulation. This complex legal battle could have far-reaching implications for the entire industry, generating market uncertainty and impacting innovation. All parties involved should closely monitor the situation to adapt to future regulatory changes. Briefing: Brian Armstrong, a pioneer in the cryptocurrency industry. Brian Armstrong is a significant figure in the cryptocurrency industry, serving as the co-founder and CEO of Coinbase, where he has driven the mainstream adoption of digital assets. Armstrong became interested in cryptocurrency in 2010 and founded Coinbase in 2012. Under his leadership, Coinbase has continually expanded its range of services and successfully went public in 2021, reaching a market valuation of nearly $100 billion. Despite facing challenges such as market volatility and layoffs, Armstrong remains committed to advancing cryptocurrency. He has consistently advocated for clarity in regulatory policies and maintained a mission-driven approach, guiding Coinbase through the ever-changing financial landscape. Armstrong is regarded as a key influencer in the cryptocurrency space, and his outstanding performance at Coinbase has made him one of the representatives of this emerging industry. His steadfast belief and forward-thinking vision have fueled the future development of cryptocurrency. Briefing: How to watch It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown for free. It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown is a classic Halloween animated special that has been beloved by audiences since its debut in 1966. This year, viewers can watch the special for free on Apple TV Plus on October 19th and 20th. In addition to free viewing, audiences can also choose to watch it through subscription services like Apple TV Plus or Prime Video. An Apple TV Plus subscription costs $10 per month, and Prime members can access Apple TV Plus through Prime Video. Additionally, viewers can opt to purchase the 50th Anniversary Edition DVD for $10. Overall, It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown offers viewers multiple viewing channels and options, allowing for free viewing, subscription services, or DVD purchases. This classic work is sure to continue captivating audiences and become an essential Halloween tradition. October 21, 2024 Briefing. Topic: Gavin Wood. This briefing synthesizes the content of several articles, summarizing the following key points. 1. there have been some issues in the relationship between Gavin Wood and the author. The author states that Gavin once expressed deep feelings for her but has recently not responded to her messages, leaving her confused and disappointed. 2. The author suspects that Gavin may have reconciled with an ex or found a new girlfriend, which has hindered their communication. She has tried to find out about Gavin's recent situation through friends, but Gavin only replied, "I'm keeping a low profile." 3. The author has begun to doubt her own charm, thinking that she may have been too much for Gavin, causing him to be unable to accept her. She plans to go out alone, hoping to encounter new opportunities. 4. The author also mentioned her ex, David, who has been demanding the return of her engagement ring, which has been quite troubling for her. In summary, this briefing reflects the author's frustrations and confusions in her romantic life, hoping to find a new path soon. The article's content is lively and engaging, highlighting the author's unique personal perspective and emotional experiences. Briefing: Insights from Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin on the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Joseph Lubin is a talent with extensive experience in both technology and finance. He graduated from Princeton University and has worked in software engineering, finance, and cryptography at various companies before joining the Ethereum project. At the recent Economy 2019 conference, Lubin delivered a speech titled "Current State of the Blockchain Ecosystem," criticizing and analyzing Ethereum's main competitors. 1. Hyperledger Fabric, suitable only for private, permissioned small networks, unable to transcend this scope. 2. Corda, focuses more on peer-to-peer trust rather than a shared source of truth, similarly limited to narrow application scenarios. 3. EOS, controlled by 21 cryptocurrency practitioners, lacking true decentralization, and easily manipulated by governments or other forces. 4. Polkadot, employs a permissioned governance model that can suspend or remove any parachain, making true permissionless operation unlikely. 5. Cosmos, more focused on interoperability between different sovereign platforms, but primarily used for token transfers across networks in the short term. In contrast, Lubin believes that Ethereum, as a highly decentralized foundational trust layer, is better suited to become the basis of the future tokenized economy. Additionally, Lubin predicts that Ethereum's price will rise over 1,000 times in the next 2 years. He believes that the launch of Ethereum 2.0, including the transition from proof of work to proof of stake and the development of Layer 2 scaling solutions, will be key factors driving this increase. Overall, Lubin is confident about Ethereum's future development, believing it will serve as the ideal foundation for building the future tokenized world. Briefing: Jihan Wu, a leader in cryptocurrency mining and fintech. Jihan Wu is a significant figure in the fields of cryptocurrency mining and fintech. His company, Bitmain, based in Beijing, is the world's largest manufacturer of Bitcoin mining machines, valued at $12 billion. As a supporter of Bitcoin Cash, Wu has been promoting the development of this forked coin. Earlier this year, he led a $1.1 million funding round to invest in the cryptocurrency startup Circle, one of the highest valued cryptocurrency companies in the US. Additionally, Wu has expressed interest in stablecoins and plans to expand Bitmain's business by developing artificial intelligence chips. He is working to transform Bitmain from a single mining machine manufacturer into a more diversified fintech company. In summary, Jihan Wu is one of the important participants and promoters in the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology fields, and his movements are worth watching. Szabo, a pioneer in cryptography and the mystery of Bitcoin. Szabo is an authoritative figure in the fields of cryptography and computer science. He has made significant contributions to blockchain technology and the design and application of decentralized systems, most notably the concept of smart contracts, which laid the foundation for the current development of cryptocurrencies. Szabo's BitGold digital currency proposed in 1998 is also considered to have many similarities with Bitcoin, leading to speculation that he may be the creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. Although Szabo has consistently denied being Satoshi Nakamoto, his influence and pioneering position in the fields of cryptography and virtual currency have made him a focal point of industry attention. Meanwhile, the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains an enduring mystery in the cryptocurrency world. Various speculations and investigations continue, but the ultimate outcome remains unknown. This aura of mystery is also a significant factor in Bitcoin's appeal. Regardless of whether Satoshi Nakamoto's identity is ultimately revealed, the revolutionary invention of Bitcoin itself and its profound impact on the entire cryptocurrency industry are the core aspects that deserve attention. Briefing: the evolution of Bitcoin's monetary and commodity attributes. 1. In the early days, Bitcoin was widely accepted by merchants as a means of payment, heralding a promising future as a daily payment tool. However, in 2013, the US IRS defined Bitcoin as a commodity rather than a currency, leading to cumbersome tax reporting requirements for transactions, which hindered Bitcoin's development as a daily payment tool. 2. Subsequently, the cryptocurrency community generally adopted a HODL mentality, unwilling to spend Bitcoin due to its appreciation potential. This is no longer consistent with the initial ideal of using Bitcoin as a daily payment tool. 3. The development of second-layer technologies like the Lightning Network has made experiments with Bitcoin as legal tender possible and even feasible, as seen in the case of El Salvador. Ukraine is also considering similar moves, potentially leading to more closed ecosystems based on Bitcoin. 4. Overall, Bitcoin's attributes and application scenarios are continuously evolving, from its initial role as a payment tool to its later status as an investment commodity, and now potentially becoming legal tender in some countries. This transformation reflects Bitcoin's growth as an emerging technology.